Lesson 14.4.
How can you show data in a picture graph? Let's find out. The tally chart shows the favorite ball games of Ms. Green's class. You can show the same data in another way. Choose a symbol to represent the data. The symbol will be a stick figure. Each symbol represents one student. A picture graph uses pictures to show data. You can draw the symbols to show the data.
We'll try it. So under baseball, that's two people's favorite games. So we're gonna add two symbols of the stick figure to baseball. All right, then soccer, it's 8. So we're gonna add 8 little stick figures. When you use a picture graph, it's really important to try to line up the pictures so you can see how much further each number is. So see how the first 2 of baseball line up with my first 2 under soccer? 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and then there's 4 that like tennis. So we'll go 1, again, try to line them up. 2, 3, 4. All right, that's how a picture graph would look. When you pick a symbol for a picture graph, make sure you're drawing a simple picture. It should be a quick sketch of whatever symbol you choose.
Look at the picture graph.
8 students chose soccer.
How many students chose tennis as their favorite sport? 4 students chose tennis. How do you know?
Because there's 4 symbols and each symbol equals 1 student.
There are 4 stick figures in the graph, and each stick figure represents 1 student. How would you read the graph differently if each stick figure represented 2 students?
Well, then it would be 2, 4, 6, 8 students liking tennis, or 2, 4 students liking baseball. You would skip count with the numbers. So here you would go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 students would be under soccer.
4 students chose baseball, 16 students chose soccer, and 8 students chose tennis. Why is a picture graph a good way to display data? The pictures are easy to see and count. How can you check if the correct number of symbols were drawn for each game? You can compare the number of symbols to the number of tallies for each game. They should be equal. Now you know how to show data in a picture graph.